everyone and welcome back to my channel and happy Makar Sankranti. When you say Sankrant, you have to have til ladoos, right? And sometimes you have those til ladoos which are very hard. You don't like to eat it. I'm going to show you a nice simple way of making soft til ladoos which anyone can have anytime. Let's get started. Come on.
We will start by roasting the sesame seeds until lightly golden. We have to roast them on low heat. It may take a few minutes, but we don't want them to brown. Check out the description box. I have posted links for my other Sankranti special recipes that I have shown previously and also this recipe with its measurements. This is the perfect color we are looking for. Take them out onto a plate and cool completely. In the same pan, we will dry roast the desiccated coconut. Again, this is going to be on low flame as the coconut tends to brown faster on high flame and gives an unpleasant flavor. This is just perfect. Take this out onto a plate and keep aside to cool completely. Now that the sesame seeds have cooled, we will first pulse the jaggery pieces for a few times. It has to just crumble to a granulated texture. These are the roasted sesame seeds which I have cooled down to room temperature. In the same food processor, we will pulse the roasted sesame seeds for a few times along with the jaggery. Normally the hard til ladoos are difficult to eat and are like jaw breakers. These ladoos are the perfect consistency and are so yum. We need a granulated consistency. We will add the roasted peanuts and the roasted cooled coconut into the same food processor and pulse for a few more times. It should be rough to touch. Transfer onto a plate. A few slightly large peanut pieces here and there is okay. Mix it a bit. Cardamom powder and saffron strands are added for the awesome flavor. Mix well. Now we will add a little ghee at a time and mix to check if it's binding. If not, we will add the rest of the ghee if needed. Try to mix and press well to check if the mixture is binding together. This is still not the right consistency. This is still a bit loose, so we will add the rest of the ghee and mix again to bring the mixture together. Keep mixing and pressing to check. Now this is the right consistency to start binding into small balls or ladoos. Look at how it's binding well now. Keep it aside and make the rest of the ladoos similarly. We have approximately 16 to 17 ladoos from this mixture. These are so good for anyone as they are so soft and yum. Hope you make these for this Makar Sankranti.
Those were some simple and yummy ladoos, right? Now you can make these anytime for your family and enjoy this Makar Sankranti. I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, as usual, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.